Hey, what's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, and I want to start this basically the series off live trading. Now I got it right here on my phone if y'all can see it. Basically, I'm about to take this trade. I want to do a series on. I don't know how long this series is going to be, but I just want to start vlogging my daily trades. I want to help y'all get to the money, and I want to vlog my daily trades. Comment below, let me know what y'all think about that. Because I can tell y'all different strategies all day long. Y'all can watch videos all day long. But you're really going to learn when you're seeing the people do it live. Because people that know how to trade, we can just tell you what to do all day. So right now we tracking this all JPY. And now you can see where my entry is. My entry is at 104.288. My TP is at 104.446 and my stop loss is at 104.130. Now, how did I come to this? So look at this. Let's go to the fib. Let's go from this high point down to this low point. We're past the golden zone. We're past the golden zone. But I'm waiting for price to come back to the entry. Why did I pick that entry over the 618 entry? Because look how long that hour candle is. So I'm thinking that price is going to pull back deeper because that hour candle is really high. It may not come back, y'all. It may just keep going. But I feel like where that yellow line is, that 104.288 is a good entry. So if it shoots up, listen to me. I would rather y'all err on the side of missing the trade versus jumping in and then seeing it pull back against you. I did that a lot in the beginning, and you always get a bad entry. You know those times where you every time you get into the trade, it just reverses on you. That's why, because you don't know where to get in at, and you're not willing to miss it to basically to get a good entry. I'm willing to miss this trade because I'm only focused on getting that good entry at 104.288. Now, back what I was saying is price has broken through the golden zone. So that's a good sign. Now, I think it's only going to go as far as the 78.6 line, that red line. That'll be an area for me to get in for a sale. So I'm going to ride it up. I'm basically finding an entry point and ride it up to that red line, which is that 786. And then I'm going to sell from there. Depending on which candlestick I get, that shows me it's bearish. Price is broken through that golden zone. Now we just gotta wait for it to pull back. Now my stop loss is way down there at 104.130. Why? Because I gotta give it room. I gotta give it wiggle room. This is JPY we talking about. You know what I mean? Price can pull back. So sometimes we trade during Asia session. Sometimes we trade during London session. I really don't trade during New York session right now because that's when my kids is up running around. They not in school yet. I got to take care of them. So I really can't focus during New York. When they go to school, probably so. But right now, we're taking advantage of Asia and London. Now, don't forget, I'm sending these signals out in Discord. So if y'all want these daily signals, and I trade live, I alternate, then just head over to the Discord. That's in the description below. The link is in the description below. All right, you can kind of see the results we getting. So I'm sending them signals out, and I'm sending them trade setups out, and we trading live. We doing all of it. We ain't lazy over here. So the trade that I'm taking right now, that I'm showing you on YouTube here, I actually sent this one out to the team. So now we wait. All right, I'll keep y'all updated. All right, guys, so the trade is activated. We are in there, and I don't know. I'm expecting it, to pull back, maybe just a little bit, but I don't know how deep it's going to come down. It may just be instant profit and then just take off from here. You feel me? I don't know. But also, I wanted to tell you that sometimes the trade does not get activated because price gets close to the entry. It gets close to the entry, but it doesn't tap it. It doesn't come all the way. I'm not a robot. I really try to pick the perfect spot that I believe that price is going to come back. But like I said, I'm not perfect. I'm not a robot. So you have to manually enter this. Sometimes if price comes close to that entry, but it looked like it's not going to tap it, manually enter it. I need you to be able to focus on this for the next 2 hours. This is scalping. I need you to monitor this. Don't set it and forget it. You feel me? If you're a trader, you've seen what this market been doing for the last month. Back and forth, whips on, big wicks. Like, monitor this stuff. It's only for scalping. It's not a big day trade that you can just set and forget. We need to monitor this. You want to make money with me 3-4 days out the week, mainly Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then, you know, come to the Discord. This is what we doing. But I'm just blessed and fortunate, and I want to bless y'all and show y'all, you know, me live trading, because I believe it can help y'all too. Get it? Now, here's the thing. When price get to about 8 to 10 pips, I move my stop loss into profit. I cover the spread and the fee. So therefore, I can't lose the trade. And what you can do is, when it gets to about 8 to 10 pips, you can take partial profits. Because one thing I've learned with the way that I trade is, around 8 to 10 pips is either going to continue to go all the way to TP, or it's going to pull back and probably pull back to entry or a little bit deeper. I don't want you to be up 8-10 pips and then end up losing the trade, or end up being in this thing all day. It's not meant for that. So I've learned, move the stop loss to cover the fee and the spread, and take partial profits around 8 to 10 pips, and then just see if the rest can go all the way to TP. Or whenever you feel like it's fizzling out, just take all the money and get up out of there. You feel me? And this is just how we just scalping every day and making our daily income. I do bigger trades, but those are mainly for London session. Some of those you can hold until New York. But around this time, Asia session right now is 7:37. Those are always scalps. My son out here, we in the backyard, got the golf cage set up. Got the simulator on that boy. Yeah, that was a good shot on the green.
That's too far for me.
You want it a little closer?
Yeah, that's like 30 foot.
Okay.
38 foot.
Show me what you got. Just give him a shot right quick.
The 2 foot.
Ooh, let's see where that one went.
Yeah, I think I grabbed a little bigger of a club.
Ooh, you went right over the flag too.
I'm on 7-8.
Yes, sir. So we started a golf channel. If anybody on here into golf, go head over to our channel. It's called No Golf, No Glory. It says the greater the obstacle, the more glory in overcoming it. No golf, no glory. That's our YouTube channel. We be having matches in there. We be training back here. Hey, give him a spin on it. Show him how to ride that slingshot, boy. Look at it. He excited. Look at it. That's my boy Roman. Show him how. Oh, look at him put the keys in. Ooh, he put the keys in. Let's start that boy. Ooh, look at him. Ooh, look at him bag it up straight. He cold-blooded. Ooh, he cold. He cold with it. Look at it. Roman. All right, y'all. So around at this spot right here, we're up 9-10 pips. Sorry about all the noise. Y'all know my kids out having fun. I ain't stopping none of that. We've been through too much. I'm always restricting my kids. Got a little gray hair. They stressing me out a little bit. You feel me? But I ain't. Oh, Royal driving. Okay. 8 to 10 pips. What I did was I moved up my stop loss. So stop loss need to come up. Bam. Stop loss. And now this is where you want to take partial profits at 8 to 10 pips. From here, it's a winning trade. It's either going to come back to the stop loss and stop me out in profit, or it's going to go all the way to TP. Who knows? I don't know. But all I can do is manage what I can manage, control what I can control. Sorry about the wind. It feels glorious out here, y'all. But all I can do is just, let it do what it do from here. And sometimes it'll go 30 pips. Sometimes it'll hit the TP. And sometimes, it'll go all the way and hit the stop loss. But we had already secured partial profits. And that's what I really want you guys to understand, and is how to manage the money. I wish that people taught me in the beginning how to manage the money. It was more about strategy, indicator, indicator. That was more of what it was about when I was first starting to trade. But I wish that they would just teach me market structure, supply and demand, just focus on that for like a years, you know what I mean, a year or more. Understanding how the market moves, understanding where the buyers and sellers live at in the market. You know, teach me that, and teach me how to manage the money, how to manage the trade once I get in it. That's what I wish that I was being taught in the beginning, but eventually we got there. And that's what I want to teach y'all. But let's see if we can get all the way up to TP. All right, guys, I'm about to go grocery shopping right quick, but I wanted to end this video with, we made it into profit. As you can see here, it tapped it. It tapped it, and now it's pulling back. So we got everything that we was looking for today. Well, it tapped that red line. Remember I said that red line? That red line is the 786. That's where I want to take a sell from. So I closed the trade out. The trade is, I manually had to close it because it was either going to shoot up through the red line and hit the TP, or it was going to stop at the red line. I knew that the red line was something that I needed to pay attention to. Take profit now. Right now, if it goes back up to that red line again, well, here's the thing. I'm waiting for a signal in regards to a candlestick. I'm waiting. Right now, there's nothing telling me to sell yet, even though I know that the sales should be coming around that red line. Why? Why should the sales be coming around that red line? Because that is where the supply zone is. That is a supply zone between the 786 and that 886. That is a supply zone right there. So when somewhere around there, a sale is going to come. Maybe it might go up. Who knows? But I'm just saying, like, I should be looking for a sale. Now, that's not enough information to just go off and sell. You have to wait for a signal. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the hour chart, and I'm going to wait for that signal to happen on the hour chart. And that should be a bearish red candle engulfing the previous green one. And I should be ready to go. Hey, share this video. Let people know what we doing over here at Jay Take Profits. Let people know, all right? Share the video. Hey, Jay, this is Jay's live trade. He laced us up. Share it. You know what I'm saying? Help me out as I help you out, because, YouTube is something that where a lot of people can get help from, but a lot of people, there's so many people that it's hard for them to find the real, true facts of trading. I'm not saying I'm the only one, but I'm saying I'm one of them. And so share the content, because a lot of people is not getting my videos. Now, remember I said right at the top on that Fibonacci level, that 786. Let me put it on there for you. That's where we was looking for a sale at, remember? So, bam, bam. So right at that 786, I was looking for that bearish red candle engulfing the previous green. Here we go. So now we're looking for a sale. So now we're going to take the partial profits off, the stop loss off, and we're going to go ahead and put a short position up. We're going to put entry right about here. We're going to put stop loss up here. And we're going to look, let's go down to the 30. Actually, we could put, let's put TP down here. Right where you see these two candles stopping down here. Let's kind of put it right below there, right above that. All right. And then now we're waiting for price to come back to the entry, that yellow 104.133, and stop losses at 104.270, TP 103.962, and we about to eat twice. All right, guys, here we are. Just came out the grocery store, and price is retesting the entry point. So, guys, so this is how you piece trades together. One after another. You gotta know, you gotta already have an idea of what price is going to do once it get to your TP? Do it look like it's continuing up and you're just taking profit where, you know what I'm saying, where you're comfortable at, but it really has potential to keep going up? Or are you getting in to ride it up to a spot where the sellers are going to click in, where the sellers are going to jump in and drop it down? You got to know that stuff. You got to be able to piece that stuff together. So hopefully you get an idea of what I'm doing day to day. You know, I'm not 100%, but I'm around 80% win rate. All right. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and let's make this money, baby. Peace.
Team take profits on the move. The movement is real. 50 pips a day. Watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.